Weather warning: California on 5th of January 2022. High wind warning remains in effect until 10 a.m. PST Thursday. What? Southeast winds 35 to 45 miles per hour with gusts up to 85 miles per hour. When? Until 10 a.m. PST Thursday. Where? Del Norte Interior, Northern Humboldt Coast, Southwestern Humboldt, Northern Humboldt Interior, Southern Humboldt Interior, Mendocino Coast, Northwestern Mendocino Interior, and Southwestern Mendocino Interior counties. Impacts: damaging winds will blow down trees and power lines. Widespread power outages are expected. Travel will be difficult, especially for high-profile vehicles. Recommendations: people should avoid being outside in forested areas and around trees and branches. If possible, remain in the lower levels of your home during the windstorm, and avoid windows. Use caution if you must drive.